ain't known abroad, the same that was told to him by the angel.
And all that heard it wondered at those things that were told to them by the shepherds.
Sleeping in the night, He will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness and light.
All these things in her heart, and she conquered them.
So faithful, they would walk on water. Did you know I'm so faithful? The same son and daughters. Did you know that your best boy has come to make you new? His child will soon deliver you. Did you know your baby boy will beside you at night? Did you know that your baby boy will calm the storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod? And will you kiss your little baby? You kiss the face of God.
Oh, Mary, did you know?
Did you know? Did you know? Mary?
Did you know?
Watch your gloves back on.
The blind will see.
The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Mary, did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nation? Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect Lamb?
And the sleeping child you're holding
Is the great I am.
Oh, Mary, did you know?
And the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for everything that they had heard and seen.
Jesus, Jesus, oh, wonderful child. Jesus, Jesus, so lonely, meek and mild. The light, the hope, the joy he brings, won't you listen? Till the angels sing, glory, glory, glory to the newborn King. Jesus, 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 oh, wonderful child, what a wonderful Jesus, oh, Jesus, the hope, the joy he brings, Jesus, to the angels sing, glory, 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 glory to the newborn King. He was heralded by the angel, oh, lonely angel. The Virgin Mary was his mother, and Joseph was his earthly father. The wise men came from afar, they were guided by a shining star to see King Jesus every day. Jesus, 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 oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus, oh yeah, Jesus, Jesus, glory, glory to the newborn King. Oh, tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Oh, tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Oh, tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Oh, tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Joy brings to the
Christmas, everybody. Thanks for coming out to see Sounds of the Nativity. I know you know this last song, so please feel free to sing along with us and help us rejoice.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive the King. Let every heart prepare Him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
Joy to the world, the Savior reigns.
Let all their songs employ, while fields and flood, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Joy, unspeakable joy, an overflowing well, no tongue can tell. Joy, unspeakable joy, it rises in my soul, never lets me go. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of His righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. Repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy.